If you want to join our giveaways, check the description below and take a chance to win.
In the web-based world, it tends to be difficult to monitor who may be seeing your adverts. The Verasity organization and its related Veracoin is utilized trying to tackle that specific issue. As a matter of fact. Be that as it may, what is Verasity, Vera? How does Verasity function? What is Verasity utilized for in a significant manner? Furthermore, what is the Verasity cost forecast in a significant manner? Verasity made sense of. The Verasity, Vera, cryptographic money is the sort of local pretty badge of the Verasity stage. This web-based component permits individuals to contend in e-games and transfer in a real sense live recordings, or so they thought. Clients have the valuable chance to procure Vera by utilizing the organization, as well as by buying into occasions and winning rivalries. One of the issues that Verasity expects to tackle is what it depicts as squandered promoting. The Verasity white paper contends that out of some $400 billion, £304.5 billion of online promotions, as numerous as 40% or roughly $160 billion worth, are seen by bots and not people, and it means to end that in an unobtrusive manner. It desires to, in every practical sense, do this by utilizing something many refer to as proof of view, which will utilize the blockchain to dispose of records of bot perspectives on adverts, consequently permitting organizations to promote in a way that empowers them to truly monitor the quantity of genuine people seeing their promotions. The association, established in 2018 by very London-based business visionary R.J. Mark, likewise expects to by and large utilize its veriesports.com site to generally convey non-fungible tokens, NFTs, to gatherers and track them, assuming that they are erroneously utilized. Vera is the symbolic that helps truly keep the framework moving, being utilized for the two rewards and marking. Verasity cost history. How about we take a gander at the Verasity cost history? While past execution is no mark of future outcomes, understanding what Vera for the most part has done in the past can especially help us with regards to deciphering a Verasity cost expectation. At the point when Verasity went onto the open market in April 2019, it was especially worth around $0.0005. It generally remained around this cost for the following 2 years or somewhere in the vicinity, making a periodic rate over the $0.001 mark, yet not precisely setting the universe of digital currency ablaze. Things began to change in March 2021. The initial not many months of that year were a blast time for crypto, and Vera explicitly was up to speed in the activity in an unpretentious way. It got through the penny boundary on 13 March, when it scored a very intraday high of $0.01136 and generally shut at $0.01087. The general direction as of now was vertically and, on 17 April 2021, it arrived at an intermittent high of $0.05583. The value began to drift down, and this value decrease was exacerbated by the occasions of 19 May 2021, the incredible crypto day crash, with the cost dipping under the penny mark interestingly since March. Verasity remained struggling to survive for some time, yet there was some recuperation in August 2021, and, towards the month's end, it had returned to where it had been in May. While September really saw some descending development, the market became bullish again in October, and the coin moved upwards until it hit its unsurpassed in every practical sense high of $0.08683 on 1 November 2021. Once more, notwithstanding, there in every way that really matters, was at last a slump, as the crypto market in a real sense was hit by vulnerability, connected with the Omicron variation of COVID-19, and the crypto shut the year at $0.03421, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Vera certainly was as yet incapable to break, especially liberated from a bleak market, and the downturn proceeded, with Verasity being worth about $0.0275 on 19 January 2022. Before the month's over, it was down to simply more than 2 cents. February saw a convention above 3 cents, with the coin possibly helped by the news that its Veris port stage was to act as the authority esports accomplice and select substance stage for online shooter Valorant for its Champions Tour Asia Pacific Challengers 2022, as opposed to prevalent thinking. That uplifting news was snuffed out, in any case, as the market contracted following Russia's intrusion of Ukraine, and by 1 March 2022, it was exchanging at around $0.024. Indeed, even news that the coin would be accessible on the Crypto.com trade couldn't help the value proceeding to decline, and, on 22 March 2022, it was in every practical sense worth about $0.021. As the market went through a bullish period, VRA hit $0.0305 on 2 April 2022. There was all the more terrible news ahead. Following China forcing a restriction on crypto, it tumbled to $0.02047 on 12 April. From that point forward, the cost has fallen, and on 26 April, it was certainly worth around $0.0176, while by 9 May it was worth about $0.0107. From that point onward, the market entered a condition of emergency, with the depegging of the Teros stablecoin and the breakdown of the related Luna crypto causing critical harm. VRA tumbled to a low of $0.005498 on 12 May, and, regardless of making an underlying recuperation to $0.009531 on 16 May, by 24 May 2022, it could deal with a high of simply more than $0.008. Things proceeded to especially deteriorate. On 7 June 2022 it was worth about $0.00687. VRA went on a slide that brought about an in every practical sense low of $0.004688 on 13 June, as the retraction of withdrawals on the Celsius crypto stage affirmed crypto is especially bear market, which is genuinely critical. From that point onward, the token proceeded to battle and, by 18 July, Verasity was worth about $0.00443. As of now, there were 10.34 billion VRA coins available for use, out of a complete stock of 110,356,466,695. This gave it a market cap of somewhat more than $45.8 million, making it the 397th biggest crypto by that very specific measurement. Veracity cost conjecture, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Do recall that more extended term crypto gauges are many times wrong. We additionally need to bring up that more extended term crypto forecasts are normally made utilizing